and white camo cargo pants. They are pretty comfortable for the price and the material. They have these nice pockets on the side, which is nice. They also have pockets up here, which are huge, so that's good. And yeah, it's tightened at the bottom, which is good because I like pants like that. So I don't have a belt. I should probably get one, like buy one, because I don't own a single one. But I just wanted to show you another top option. Would be like a cropped top like this. This is actually a bralette. I usually just wear this like under things, but I know that some people do just wear these tops and they're pretty comfortable. So the reason why this is like a good idea to wear these with pants like this is because of how high-waisted they are. Oh no, sis, what is this? Sis, I look like a whole entire construction worker. Do we see this? Let me tell you a quick story with these pants, right? So, I basically learned a lesson from buying these pants, and that is to always read the description of the item. Yeah, because the picture didn't really like show that these were freaking reflective pants, this garbage freaking bag material. Like, what is this? Basically, I thought that I was getting some nice tan, like khaki colored pants with a much different material than whatever this is. But it's hard to tell with these stupid pants. Like, when am I ever gonna wear these? What's that? Do you wanna go outside with these? Come on, let's go. I wanna go see these in action. Ooh, look at Jack, I'm doing a review of the items I got, and look at these garbage pants. Fine. Can you see them?
Yes, so much. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Wait, ready? Thumbnail?
I have to turn it super bright to be able to see. Wait, do the thumbnail again, because I don't know if it worked. Quick, get in.
No, this is gonna be my thumbnail. Oh my gosh! Ripped! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, who knew? Really, why does this happen to me? I buy the wrong pants.
Wait, Aly.
And then they rip! And in probably the worst place possible.
Alright, end the video and like look at it, because it looks so weird.
Oh my gosh! Oh! Is that what they look like?
No, it was just pure white. When we were outside, it was literally just pure white.
It looks so freaking cool though. Hold on.
It's rusty.
I need to take this thing off. Even though that's super aesthetic.
Turn it to rusty for a second.
No, Jack, stop. Ah! Okay. I'm really gonna actually wear those now. Ooh, this is a look, except for the fact that I'm wearing them backwards. Whoa, guys! Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? This my sneakers are reflective too.
Bruh. Why are those pink on video? Your sneakers.
Whoa.
That looks so cool. That honestly looks like you used a green screen.
I know.
Like they're not lime green.
Yeah, you guys can see that they're not lime green. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
They're like very normal, but then they go the most reflective white ever. Like, you know how like the snow is always super shiny and reflective? It's like those look like they could be snow pants. Do not eat.
These are actually the coolest pants.
The fact that they have to put a warning on this to not eat.
Whoa, my pumpkins look so cool.
Whoa. Why is everything in your room reflective?
I know. Can you even like sew these? What the frick? That's actually, hold on. Guys, we need to take a second. It shouldn't be so cheap to the point where I literally sit down and they rip.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Like, why? I could pull this more if I really wanted to. But obviously not going to.
What are you even going to do with it now?
Sew it probably. I mean, I could sew this back together. It just will look stupid, but whatever. Oh my gosh.
I'm sure it won't be that noticeable. Okay, I just jinxed it. Sorry.
No, just leave those on. Little.
Good dog. You know what to do with these.
You got the game fucked up.
Okay, so this is like a Burberry inspired print type top, tube top. And I think this was literally $3, which is like honestly such a good deal. And I think this is one of the best quality items from African Mall that I've received. Yeah, it's pretty nice. This is a real Burberry skirt that I bought when I was in 6th grade, hashtag extra. I literally bought this like with my money because I just like in 6th grade, that was me. Now I'm like fake Burberry. Back then I'm like, has to be real. So this is the comparison between a real Burberry pattern, and I'll even like show you guys that it's real just so that you don't believe, just so that you believe me, because yeah, I'm a fake hoe as you can clearly see. But yeah, as you can see, it says Burberry and like, yeah, it's real. So the real Burberry print is more of a, and I'm pretty sure Burberry has different varieties. This one's more yellow. And then these pants are just pants that I had from 421, which are in my other haul if you haven't seen that. Oops. Guys, look at this. It slides down.
Yeah.
Okay, so this next outfit, the pants are cute, trendy, tight. They would be giving me some Ravyn Lane vibes. Like, I also don't know what shoes to wear with these, so comment down below if you know what shoes I should wear with these. Probably not wear this as a set. I'll probably wear it separately. Like, I'll probably have to wear the top with the pants just because of how short the top is, but like the pants are good because they're high. But I'll probably just wear like a plain white top when I wear these pants. On to the next thing. If you don't tell, I have a problem where I don't look before I try things on. Look at me. I'm literally the girl from Willy Wonka. Really, this is the most see-through thing you've ever seen in your life. I'm gonna have to wear, like, again, this top underneath it. I will. And as for the pants, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yikes, let's forget about that. Okay, so this is very extra, but we love her. Like, I love striped joggers. I have so many. Wondering where the stripe, oh my goodness. We're just gonna cover that with my hair. Oh, I didn't do my review of this, so stupid. Obviously, this is like the worst quality. You guys should feel this. It literally hurts. It's rubbing against my skin, especially the sleeves. Oh my gosh. It physically scratching me. It's just like the worst material in the world. It smells awful. I have to wash it. It is the most see-through thing I've seen in my life. Like, hello, what is that? Okay, so this outfit is actually pretty good quality. The material still is scratching me. Like, it physically is hurting my arms. Ow. Like, as of now, as we're speaking, it is scratching them. So I'd have to wear, like, a top. I'd probably have to wear leggings under this. But the stripes, pretty good quality. For me, I wasn't trying to copy Gucci personally. I had no idea that it was even like the Gucci, like, well, I mean, like, I was sort of like, oh, like that looks familiar. But then when I came, I was like, looks like Gucci. Like the Gucci red and green. And then I also have pants that are blue and red, and they're also like matching Gucci. Oh no. Oh no. What is this? I literally got this because it was only like $5. Why are the boobs pointy? This is not 1950. I'm not Marilyn Monroe. Yeah. That's like, oh my gosh. A nice casual fashionista outfit. Though the picture was very misleading, it showed a very different texture. Just insert the picture here. It is not anything like what I said in the picture. I wanted the shirt in the picture. The shirt in the picture is so cute. Also the sleeve length, no. Oh honey, just not a very attractive look. I also got the same thing in black because the black one also looked cute on the website, and I really want to know where those are actually from because those were really cute. Versus what actually came. Be aware of what you buy. So there's actually, I think, just one more item that I got, and I do have a picture of me wearing it. It is a matching set, and that honestly has to be one of my favorites from this website. They're pretty comfortable. It just has a red and blue stripe. Oh my gosh, my circulation is being cut off so badly. It just has a stripe like going down the side. Comment down below if you want me to try any other websites. I'm honestly so down. Like, I will literally spend all my birthday money and stuff like that on these websites because I just find it interesting, and I end up wearing it whether I like it or not. Ooh, comment down below if you would like a room tour, a Christmas room tour edition. Bye guys, love you, thank you for watching, and that actually means so much to me, like that, like out of all the videos on YouTube, you decided to click mine. Like, that's awesome. Also, I'm going to start saying how many like subscribers I have at the end of my videos. Thursday, December 6th, 2018. So Aly and Sophia Show has 64 subscribers. Aly Vlogs has 7 subscribers, which is Finn and Amelia's channel, but me and Sophia basically run it. Shh, they're gonna get mad. Oh my gosh, they're definitely gonna watch this, gonna get mad. They also haven't posted since 8 months. Aly Eli has 44 subscribers, dude. That's pretty good, honestly. Aly Eli Vlogs has 32. Okay, went down, thanks. Sophia Malina has 102. Yes, Sophia. And Sophia Malina Vlogs, which used to be Aly and Sophia Show Vlogs, has 50 subscribers. Actually, 49 exactly. So, yeah, it's pretty good if you ask me.